Mr. Dumpster Diver here, and on YouTube we're going to play a new game. What's inside the electronics, or what's inside something. I've scrapped various items, and today we're going to see what's inside a Westclock alarm clock. And the simplest way to do this is, instead of using the screwdrivers, smash it open. Hit it. Hit it. Oh. What's inside? Let's see what's inside. What's inside this alarm clock? Yeah, okay. Let's look inside. What kind of guts are inside an alarm clock? Well, we got the wires, the recycle, and the circuit boards, and a little copper right here that can be done in the speaker. So that's what's inside the alarm clock.